wonders for July 11th. Right here in Lacey, the South Bay Grange is opening for a special day of art and community. Stepping out beneath the summer sky, watching all the busy world rush by, looking for a spot to slow things down with the finest folks in our hometown. Yeah, it's time to take a little break. Come on down and stay a while. Friendly faces, every smile, handmade treasures. There's a place that's waiting just for you. Neighbors gathering, old and new. We'll be saving you a place.
Come meet our talented violist at her stand, with original art, the finest in the land. Of Monkey and Pickle's best designs, the girls are out here setting all the trends, and everything looks divine.
Come support the talent on display.
We can't wait to see you on the day.
Join Deborah, Monkey, and Pickles this July 11th at the South Bay Grange in Lacey. We'll see you there.